How to transfer money from Binance to Revolut. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Binance to Revolut step by step. So first, open Binance and go to Assets. Select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Tap Sell and complete the transaction. Go to your account dashboard to check your balance. Click Withdraw, then choose Fiat Withdrawal. Select your currency and bank transfer as the method. Enter your Revolut bank account number and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your funds will be on the way to Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.